So I've talked to the customer and yeah, he agreed that we will try it. We will try to replace not only the M controller but the PCH too. We share the risk, so he has to pay a small amount even if we fail, so our costs of the parts at least are covered. But we try it. We try to replace the PCH, hope for a good replacement without boot guard, which we already have here in best case, yeah. And we have the M controller here. And the first thing we will do now is to reball the PCH, because it comes with leaded solder bolts, which is nice and cool, but horrible to solder on a thick board, on a decent gaming board, and we don't want to stress the BGA more than necessary. So we will reball it with bolts where we can significantly decrease the melting temperature of the solder and therefore the heat we have to apply. It is a really annoying task, at least for me, but yeah, the experience told me it's better to reball than to simply try to solder it, because otherwise, yeah, you may figure another issues, probably call it fake IC or similar. So yeah, good. Let's reball the platform controller up. Let's go. So I'm removing the solder bolts right now and forgot to press on record. This is flat enough. Okay. Yeah, might work. Not perfect, but should work. Test. So, good. So let's carefully remove the tape and the foil. And with some luck, this time we are more lucky than before. Good. I would say a few sanity checks. Let's start with the 3 volts always supply, and we have kilo ohms here, which is very good. Very good. So what else? The 1 volt always supply, 8 ohms, but it will raise. It will raise. Because the PCH is just too hot right now. It is already raising. Check the multimeter screen. Already 10 ohms and still increasing. We will probably reach something like 33 ohms. Okay? Good. So let's check on the PCH itself. 80 ohms, kilo ohms, kilo ohms, kilo ohms, kilo ohms, kilo ohms, huh? Kilo ohms, kilo ohms, kilo ohms. Very good, very good. Now I'm satisfied. Now I'm satisfied. Kilo ohms. So this is how I wanted it to look like. And also, this was the second attempt, actually, because with the first attempt, the 3 volts shorted out, because I had probably some bridges underneath the bolts, bottom right area, if someone is interested. What I did now is the following. I've decreased the temperature at 10 degrees to 350 degrees. The airflow I have raised at 10% to 50%, with my hot air station, and the preheating time I have increased from 10 to 15 minutes. Because the board here has probably some unexpected heat dissipation. So yeah, this was why the first try was not successful fully, and the PCH did not evenly solder it, and for this reason caused some bridges. Yeah, but now I'm happy. Now I'm happy. So what is left is the M controller. I know already we have some loose pins here. Yeah, we have to take a look here. But first I have to change my microscope setting again. 1 second. Okay, it's a great moment. Let's plug the charger. Okay, don't disappoint me. Please don't disappoint me. Okay. Nothing. It's like that. When I press a button, nothing happens. Okay. Good. So, a summary. The board is not working. Why is it not working? Well, power. Yeah. The board is not working because the enable for the 3 volts power supply here, here is not stable, as you can see. It's steadily jumping between 0 and 3 volts, and this way we cannot establish a stable 3.3 buck converter. Okay? So yeah, I've already wasted a lot of time again searching for a fault around the PCH or the M controller without any outcome. Fortunately, I was able to power on the board once. Unfortunately, I'm not sure whether it is on video. Since, let's oversimplify it, since we were able to start the board once, we'll start with simple things now. And I would say a simple thing would be to replace the 3 volts 5 volts controller, because it could have died just because of the stress on with the shorted 3 volts rail earlier. Okay, so maybe there is something wrong with our 3 volts 5 volts power supply. We will replace the chip, and with some luck the board will work afterwards. What do you think? So, next try. Connector is fine. Come on, show me some life finally. Can't be so hard, huh? Good. Are we ready? I think so. Let's go. Nothing. It's dead. Dead, dead, dead. Do we get voltage here? Let's see. Maybe we don't get voltage here or something like that. So, pin 12, actually. Pin 12. Pin 12, 10, 11. Pin 12 is here, here. So what do we get here? Because if we make a mistake here, we will short the whole controller. And we only get 4 volts at pin 12. Why? Something with the input of this controller is wrong. Somewhere here should be a 2 ohms resistor. Where is it? Here! Here is it. Here. PR99. Alright, let's check it. Let's check it. And 2.6 kilo ohms. It is blown up. It is blown up. Can you believe that? So 2 things. First, we will solder the old controller back because I've soldered a slightly different model. Yeah. This is alright. Now we will make sure we don't have a partial short to ground at pin 12. And it is open line. Yes. Good. Good. Which means we are free to replace the resistor. And this is the origin of all our issues here. So the most important thing is how we can remove it without damaging the connector. So I have covered the connector with Kapton tape and hope for the best, huh? Now we'll add some low melt solder. Good. We have it. We have it. Now we'll simply clean one of the pads. Probably this one. Yes. Here we make a nice joint. Good. Now we'll order another 2.2 ohms resistor, same size. This one we can remove with hot air, but we cannot solder it with hot air because otherwise we will melt the connector. For this reason, I've prepared only one pad with solder. And done. So let's check for continuity. Here we go, 2.2 between these 2 points. Yeah, this is all right, 3 ohms. You see? This is okay. This is probably the internal resistance of my probes. And this is fine. And now I have the feeling that our board might work. It was a long journey, a long and hard journey, but you know me, I rarely give up so easily. Good. So, are we ready? Where is my charger? Here's my plug from the benchtop power supply. Let's plug it in. And it draws 0, but look here. I have a LED. I have a LED which I never had before. So now the power button, and it lights up like a Christmas tree. 200, 1 amp, processor getting hot. Processor getting hot, mad hot actually, okay. Perfect. Perfect. So we have replaced the PCH, we have replaced the EC, we have replaced the 2.2 ohms resistor near the 3 volts, 5 volts controller, and now finally this nice machine is fixed. Hopefully. We probably have to put the heatsink now. Yeah, let's install the heatsink. So in this way we can check AVA, whether it shows, whether it gives picture, it shows picture, or at least whether caps lock will react on a USB keyboard. If caps lock reacts, we have a posting BIOS, a BIOS which successfully did the power on self-test, and this is the moment where we should get picture on internal display, which not always work and which is not connected right now. Good. So heatsink is attached. Let's see whether it still works. Yeah, we have still the LED. Where is my power button? Here. Okay. Maybe we should plug HDMI. Okay. .7 amps, not bad. Not bad. Okay, it's off. Probably hard reset. Yeah, it's on again. Let me make it like that so you can see the lights. Yeah, this is good. And come on, show me something. I'm observing my big monitor, my big display here. And also we will plug a USB keyboard, and it makes another hard reset. Still no picture. Can be corrupted ME region, actually. Because of the PCH replacement, we probably need to clean the ME region so the PCH can fit it. Because the ME region inside of the BIOS does not match the current PCH. However, we don't have picture, but let's check. Numlock is working and caps lock is working too. So we have a posting laptop, although I don't get external picture, which means we'll clean the board now and then we'll install the board back into the chassis and see what happens. All right, at least it stays on now, fans are spinning. PCH is warm, GPU is warm, CPU is warm. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's assemble it. So, the board is back in the laptop again. The moment of truth is near. The moment of truth. So nothing exploded so far. Let's see whether it can start from battery. We had a light. No. No, I have keyboard light. Here, we have picture, yes! Oh man. I'm happy. I'm happy. Cool. Cool. This is so cool. i7 10875H. What graphics card is inside? No idea, but it is a bigger one. Okay, mouse is working. Keyboard is working. Keyboard backlight is working. The laptop is working. Let's power it off. And I want to see how fast it can boot up with picture, because it might be the case we have to clean the BIOS ME region. Yes, probably. Yeah, this is too slow. 1 second. Yeah, almost 30 seconds. This is too long. Yeah. I'll ask my great colleague, George, whether he can perform CleanME management engine for me when we will try again. Maybe in the meantime I've already installed operating system to see whether indeed everything is working, and yeah, that's it. Okay. So I've got a cleaned BIOS firmware, and yeah, our next step is obviously to solder it back, but my tweezer is gone. Where is it? Ah, found it. Good. Yeah, I had to secure everything here with aluminium foil because we have a lot of connectors around. So yeah. We will solder it back with the iron because yeah, too dangerous. Chance is too high to melt connectors, to melt one of these connectors, so yeah, better to stay safe here. It's an expensive device. Yeah? Yeah? Like that sounds good. Good. I think it is done already. Good. Good. Let's see what it does now. Good. This is perfect. Now we'll shut it down. And now we will power it on again. Yep. Okay, this was way faster, 8 seconds instead of, I mean, it was 26, 27 seconds. So this is a lot faster actually. So I think this will be okay now. I mean, we hard reset it with the long power button press anyway, so or somehow soft reset it. Yeah, this is okay. Good. One thing which might be still not okay is the battery charging, but for this we will install the operating system to see whether the battery will charge or not, because right now it is not charging, but I don't really understand whether it is full or not. 5 amps. Holy shit. 5 amps. 1 second. 5 amps. Now off. Alright, battery is charging with 2 amps. Let me show you. Here. I have to power off the benchtop power supply. So now. Okay. So now. And 2 amps. So battery is charging too, which is perfect. So yeah, we are ready to install the operating system with all drivers, and then we will see. Okay, see you later. Hello again. These are the old ICs, the platform controller hub and the ITE M controller. Yeah. So let's have another look to the device. Power on. I had to mess with the BIOS. I'll explain later. So, it is working with Windows. The device works perfectly fine with all drivers installed and everything and benchmarking. However, the touchpad, I can't get the touchpad work again. It is not working. The buttons doesn't work either. I did not find any solution for that. I've even tried to source a replacement for the touchpad. However, there are simply no sources at eBay or AliExpress or similar. I've contacted Clevo Systems, the manufacturer of the system. And after 1 day, they stopped responding to my request too. So yeah, I'm literally lost, and yeah, it is. It sucks. Yeah, it sucks actually a lot. So yeah. However, with an external mouse, it is I can work with this device. I can run a benchmark like superposition. Let me plug the charger. Where is it here? Here. Good. So we can run a benchmark test without any issues. Okay, the fans will spin. This is normal. This is by design. Here, RTX 2070. Can you see that? RTX 2070 in this thin small device. I can't believe, actually. Yeah, this is really awful. Yeah, as you can see, absolutely fine. 12,330 points is a good. This is a good result. Yeah, the touchpad. This is. I have no words for that. We have all drivers. What's that? What is that? This is new. This was strange. This exclamation mark was not here before. And the point actually is I have no exclamation marks in the device manager. Everything is as expected. Like that, you can see maybe. Yeah. Of course, the driver for the touchpad and PS2 and HID, also for human interface devices, we have a HID compatible touchpad installed here, I2C HID device, event filter, and so on and so on, and everything is installed, and yeah, it should work, but it doesn't. So this is annoying me the most. I can't have any, I don't have any indication for what is wrong. Maybe it is a PCH fault, but yeah, I will not replace it again before I'm convinced. And this is why it is yeah, so sad that I can't test with another touchpad. So we have to leave it like that. I've already talked to the customer. We made an agreement, so we don't have to pay the full price, but a price for a partial working device like that without the touchpad. So yeah, I hope it was interesting for you. As always, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, I'm happy if you leave a like, a comment, or even subscribe to my channel. The tools I use are linked in the video description. Thank you for watching again, and see you on the next one. Bye.